Alright YouTube, so we got an update on the trailer. Alright guys, so we're working on the interior of the car, so never done this before, but like everybody else I watch YouTube. So we got some more emblems put on the passenger side. I wanted to document that I got a new fuel pump on. Hello YouTube, welcome back to Small Block Saloon. Today we're going to continue working on our Wasteland project car and our trailer. Do some welding, grinding, painting, gluing, a little bit of everything. Alright YouTube, so one thing that I started doing on this, I hadn't finished, is I want to put a lot of emblems and just miscellaneous stuff, trinkets or whatever on the dash. I've got some more stuff since the last time I mounted anything on there, so we're going to put some of them on and add to it. I would love to have the entire dash covered, but I don't know if that'll happen or not, but we're gonna kind of just start sticking stuff on there and see where it goes. I plan on using just some black silicone. Hopefully this stuff's still good. It's a little old, but we'll start with this big Buick emblem. Ooh, that's way too much. All right. Okay, that's not working real good at all. All right. Maybe like that, I don't know. Here's a Gaslands NorCal. I think it's from, I think he makes them for the Gaslands game, like as a, I guess a placeholder or something to do with the game. I don't know. We're going to mount it. I want to mount it where I can see it. Like, I might actually mount this one on the, I don't know where I want to put it. I don't know. I'm gonna think about that one. Got a Dodge Ram skull. Alright guys, so we got some more emblems put on the passenger side. Haven't got too many on the driver's side yet, but I'm not filming each individual emblem. I'll just update you when I got progress. Alright YouTube, so we got an update on the trailer. We have completely degreased it, power washed it, wire brushed it, and taped up the lights. And next thing we're going to do is spray some Rust-Oleum gloss black. I'm going to do the Rust-Oleum acetone mix. Never done this before, but like everybody else I watch YouTube, 70% Rust-Oleum, 30% acetone is what people say, and then I'm going to do a cap full of this Japan dryer that's supposed to help it dry faster. So it can't make it look no worse, so we're going to do that next. Alright YouTube, here we go! Alright YouTube, so at some point my battery died, but we got it done. It don't look too bad. I'm not a professional painter, as you can probably tell. But all in all, it laid down pretty good. We're using, like I said, cheap old Rust-Oleum with acetone in it, and I'm happy with it. It should look pretty good going down the road, and hopefully that'll keep us from getting stopped and asked any questions. And that's what we were really worried about. Alright YouTube, we're still working on the trailer. We're going to weld this jack to the front of it, and then we can clean that up and paint that. Well, it ain't pretty, but it's on there. Alright guys, so here's the last look for the trailer. In this video, I put the reflective decals on the side and got everything touched up. And there's one more thing I want to do. What do you think? Alright guys, so we're working on the interior of the car some, and I wanted to add this James Tree Killer, who's building Razor Cola, on his YouTube channel. You should check him out if you hadn't. I'll put a screenshot of his channel name in right here. He gave me the part number. He gave me a Napa part number, but I cross-referenced it at O'Reilly's, and here's the part number. I don't know if you guys can see it focused. My eyes ain't so good, y'all. It looks like it's number 50036-BX. Maybe it'll focus, I don't know. But what it is, if you're watching this channel, you'll recognize this. Sorry. It's the PTO switch that in the movie cut the blower on and off. And we're gonna put it on the shifter, of course. It's probably not gonna be functional to anything right now, but we're gonna go ahead and get it installed. So let's do that next. Okay guys, so I had a little trouble filming the install, but it's installed now, and it's not functional, but I think it looks cool, and that was a big part in the movie, so I wanted it in my car. So one more thing off the list. Alright YouTube, so last video y'all remember that fuel pump was giving me problems. I got this new unit from O'Reilly's. I'm really impressed with it. Seems to be a way better pump. It's got a heavy duty bracket that comes with it. It's a universal pump. Part number is E16048. Precision pump. I think it's gonna do well. I'm got to redo some of these hose clamps and stuff look funny. I know I'm gonna put a shut off here coming, because right now, you know, my tank's up in the trunk of the car and it just drops straight down. So I want to have a shut off and a filter, pre-pump filter, and then a shut off, so that I can maintenance this and without draining the tank. So we're gonna do that later on. I haven't got the stuff yet, but wanted to document that I got a new fuel pump on. Alright, YouTube, so we got our switch panel wired back up, and we're not 100% done with wiring because we still ain't got headlights, but we got fuel pump and ignition. Well, the battery cable's not tight. All right, let's try that again. We got a tight battery cable now, so. So there it is. All right, YouTube, that's gonna probably do it for this one. It's all over the place, but we got a fuel pump working. We got the trailer painted. We got some cosmetic work done on the dash, and we got some electrical stuff done. We're not 100% done with electrical, but that's boring. I'm not gonna film all that. Plus, it's tough for me to think about what I'm doing and film and get the shot. Want to say thanks to everybody that subscribed. Please drop a comment. Tell me what you liked about the video. Tell me if you're going to Wasteland. If you're going to Wasteland, I've had some people hit me up saying they're ready, looking forward to riding on or whatever, and I'm looking forward to that too. If you see me at Wasteland, you're going to Wasteland, you see me there, yell out, jump on, man. That's what I'm taking it for. So I'm looking forward to that. Right now, as of today, 40 days until I leave. 40 days. So it's a little more than that till the actual event opens, but I got 40 till my departure time, so it's getting there. Want to say thanks for watching. Please think about liking, subscribing. Yeah, we'll catch you in the next one. Later.